What's going on, guys? I know I need to clean my car, but today we are hitting legs. So some quads, some hammies. Gonna start out with some squats. Following that, I'm gonna be going straight into some hamstrings. I am bulking. I am at a roughly, I'd say 400 calorie surplus. So it's a slow bulk, and I started this bulk after taking 2 years off the gym when my youngest was born. Him and his older brother are 13 months apart, and when he was born, it was just some wild times. We're moving houses, and my careers were kind of shifting, and just a lot went on. I worked remote for a company, and they just opened up the U.S. market with salespeople, and that's what a lot of my background is. And they axed the U.S. market that they had just hired, basically, after about a year. And so it left me kind of in a bad spot. But anyways, that amongst moving houses and pregnancy and so forth, I took time off. So I'm kind of in the rebuild stage, thus the bulk. The start point, I was just kind of skinny fat. I lost a lot of muscle, didn't care about what I ate. To an extent, compared to an average person, I cared about what I ate. I have a conscience about eating healthy, okay? So I don't get too out of hand. But yeah, back to the point. So I'm going to be doing this bulk I'm just going to play it by ear. Maybe 6 to 8 months, I'll see what I can put back on. And hopefully next time I get shredded, it'll be around at least late spring, early summer. And I definitely don't want to get shredded in the winter. So want to avoid that, because I've done that before. It's not the best time of year to get lean. So yeah, gonna really emphasize my hamstrings. I don't have my leg extension anymore in the home gym, which is a little bit of a bummer, but we'll find ways around that in the meantime until maybe one day we can get another one. Just opened my door on accident. But yeah, so let's get into the lift, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Any feedback, let me know. I am trying to figure this whole YouTube stuff out. There's a website that I'm looking into about getting a subscription for better music for my videos, because as of now I have a pretty limited selection, and I've already had an issue here or there. So yeah, let's get into the lift, guys. Okay, so a little bit of a bummer. Did my warm-ups, go to squats, and I don't even hardly have any weight on the bar, and I already feel this issue going on down in my lower abdomen. So I need to go to a doctor, get that checked out. I have a couple older siblings that have had hernia surgeries, and it don't sound like fun. So yeah, not gonna push that. So, but thankfully I haven't felt that same pain on any other movement that I've done for legs. So goblin squats even, I don't feel it. I don't feel it, no other movement. So we don't need the barbell squats. We'll still have a good leg day. So let's get back after it.
Tomorrow, moving with the motion. toma, toma like that.
Beneath the canvas of a burning sky, dodging embers of a world on fire. Yet there's still hope when you're by my side. They say it's darkest right before the light. Stay with me tonight, far from the fading light. We can leave it all behind, just breathe and feel alive. Each passing flicker of our souls ablaze, revealing secrets to the blinding edge. Light reflecting what we are inside. Let the truth be your guide. Stay with me tonight, far from the fading light. We can leave it all behind, just breathe and be alive. Stay with me tonight, far from the fading light. We can leave it all behind, just breathe and feel alive.
We'll be right back.